Ika. Welcome everyone. So it's that time of year again. It makes me very sad, but it's time to say goodbye to our konúkos. We're up in the north in New Hampshire, Dakmun, New Hampshire. That is, I am in New Hampshire. And the weather is getting a little bit weird. It's already October, so all of our veggies and fruits are picked. I'm here across the street looking at the konúko that our neighbors put up, and everything is down. It makes me a little sad, but I know that we'll be back next year. At our konúko, we still have a few cherry tomatoes that are hanging on for dear life. I hope that we can get them before the end of the season. We have some potatoes that we still need to pick, but overall it was a good season. I was very happy with how the lettuce and the arugula did. The cucumbers were amazing. The ají, the peppers, are awesome. They're still giving. It's amazing. So I'm very happy about that. Other things that didn't do so well, beefsteak tomatoes didn't do so well. Our broccoli didn't do so well. I made a few mistakes along the way. I will talk to you about that next year when we start planting again in the spring, and hopefully it will help you not make those same mistakes. So in the meantime, taino-ti until springtime. Take care, everyone.